Everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to find your recycling bin. So if you delete it or something, you can find it on your Samsung phone by just swiping up. And go to search and type in files. And we want to go to where it says My Files on the top left. And just choose that. Now under here, we can find trash right here. So it's not called recycling bin, it's called trash. And we can just go to it now. And if we have anything in here, we can retrieve it, or we can permanently delete it by going to empty. And we can delete everything. So if you want to retrieve it, just click it, and there will be an option to restore it now back to your phone. So if you send something to the trash, you have 30 days to retrieve it, otherwise it's permanently deleted from your phone. So if you got any pictures or something in there, you can go ahead and get them back before those 30 days. Hopefully this video did need and help you out. Did leave a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below.